guide a hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that love may bring. There's no other hope that I can lend upon. Let me, Lord, let me all my life walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. Let the Lord hold my life.